with great pleasure that I bring to the end of the second edition of EIT Food Grow Workshop. It was about bringing together two types of knowledge, those that work every day on the field, those that have the technologies and are wishing to make it bigger. But we went a little bit further. We had with us startups, we had consumers, we had public policy makers, we had the municipality, we had research and innovation departments. Broad range of people that are all very motivated and very eager to make the difference towards a more sustainable food production with a start in sustainable agriculture.
The EIT Food Workshops is really the best way to bring people together if we want to truly change the food system. The farmers need to come and share their challenges and then be part of the solution, and they have to be the people that come up with the solutions so that they get engaged in the activities to make those things happen. So I think it's a wonderful way to make change. I think what I'll take away is that we all have some of the same problems and we share the same challenges. What are the solutions of these same challenges that we all face? Then maybe collectively we can really make change in our food system.
I have really enjoyed it because I really see that you have a very, very good possibility here to include small-scale farmers if you really want to. You can open up your tenders towards them. Actually, you can also make procurement below threshold. It's actually possible to do this, and we can do this by sharing knowledge. We need to share knowledge also with the farmers and how they produce, and then you can put the criteria into the procurement. So we're building this procurement officer network where we can share ideas like this European one through the project Best Remap with the European Commission. I gained a lot of knowledge today and hopefully also shared knowledge of how to do this, and hopefully we will do this in time.